We've all seen spin the pin. Today, I'm going to show you a different take that turns it into a continuous, self-running game. Stick around.
Here's the equipment you'll need to play Spin the Pin Super Tag. 2 bowling pins, 2 hula hoops, 2 pool noodle tag sticks, and gym mats for walls. That's it. Simple setup, big energy. Now let's take a look at how to set up the gym for constant, non-stop tag action.
4 players enter the middle and stand around the hoop. The new player spins the pin. Whoever the pin points to becomes the tagger. They grab the tag stick. Once they grab the tag stick, the tagger has 5 slow seconds to make a tag. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If they make a tag, that player switches sides. If they don't make a tag in 5 seconds, the tagger switches sides instead. Pro tip: to help younger students space out correctly, tape X's on the floor. Here's what Spin the Pin Super Tag looks like in action. And because it wouldn't be PE without a few surprises, here are some AI bloopers.
Welcome to Chase and Escape, high-energy games for grades 5 to 8. This lesson plan for Spin the Pin Super Tag builds agility, reaction time, and teamwork. It includes warm-ups, clear setup, rules, and a beautiful thing gift. Download now on Teachers Pay Teachers.